Welcome to this special page. I have something very exciting to share with you that will change your life forever. Have you ever dreamt or wished to have numerous income streams? I mean money-generating machines that can give you the financial stability you and your family dream for? If yes, then what's really holding you back from true financial wealth? I want to introduce to you a free book which teaches how to build multiple income streams. This free book will help you discover multiple ways to use internet advertising to generate income. Learn how to generate income by establishing a set of links on the internet. Explore the various means of direct marketing that can create a revenue stream. Many have read this book and gotten results, such as Charlotte and Oscar. Charlotte said, "I love this book. I couldn't believe how much relevant information I have gained from this book. It has helped me tremendously. I learned so much about generating multiple income streams, and today I'm utilizing the SEO and email marketing income streams." Oscar said, "Even though I'm old and in retirement, I still wanted an extra stream of income to pass on as a legacy to my grandchildren and their generation. I didn't know where to start or what to do. Then I stumbled on this great book which opened my eyes and showed me where to start from. The journey has only been exciting all through. It's easy to grab this book. Simply enter your name and best email address today. You will receive it in your inbox in less than 60 seconds. And hey, I have a special surprise for you. Would you like to discover how ordinary people are manipulating a secret algorithm to make perpetual income every month? Put in your name and address and find out how on the next page.